Hello, today we're going to look at a new way to interact with DataWarrior, not by hunting through menus, but by describing what you want in plain language and letting an LLM drive the workflow. DataWarrior is incredibly powerful for small molecule work, but that power comes with a cognitive cost. There's a lot to learn. DataWarrior is a standalone application, and it doesn't expose, at least for now, a typical external API. That's where macros come into play. DataWarrior's macro system can express domain-level actions like calculating descriptors, applying filters, or generating plots, but you need to know the commands. Our idea is to let an LLM handle that expert operator layer, choosing the right macros, filling in the parameters, and running them for you. After Anthropic introduced the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, in late 2024, we decided to use MCP as a standard way for the LLM to discover and call these macro tools in a structured and transparent manner. And in early 2025, with my colleague, Dr. Youcef Bagdad, we started building demo systems where DataWarrior becomes hands-free. You state your intent. The agent executes the right macro steps, and you stay focused on the chemistry. Now, the practical question is, how do we make the LLM call these macro actions reliably? Youcef proposed to do it with a two-part architecture, an MCP server, and a new user interface. On the back end, the MCP server exposes DataWarrior operations as tools. Each macro is wrapped as a Python function with a clear schema, so the LLM knows which parameters exist and which values are valid. On the front end, we use Streamlit to provide a single workspace with data loading, a chat panel, and a live view of the DataWarrior window displayed through a browser-based VNC viewer, so you can watch the workflow unfold in real time. That's it for today. Dr. Youcef Bagdad has developed the code and made it available on a public GitHub repository, so you can try it yourself. I'll put the link in the description, along with the link to our preprint. Of course, there's still a lot to do, especially to cover more of DataWarrior's functionality and build richer end-to-end workflows. But we hope this initial release gives you a useful starting point and sparks ideas for your own research. More broadly, many standalone applications in chemistry and biology have no external API. They're powerful, but not always easy to automate or learn. Connecting them to an LLM through a protocol like MCP could make them far more accessible. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.